Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So for this video presentation, let us talk about how to calculate the expected value of a discrete random variable. So without further ado, let's discuss this topic. Okay, so let us discuss and illustrate the expected value of a discrete random variable. So the expected value of a discrete random variable is the product of the probability and the value of its outcome. Okay, so using this value of x and its probability, then we can calculate the expected value. So in the first column, that is the value of x, and the second column, its probability. So in calculating the expected value, all you have to do is to multiply the value of x and its probability. So 1 times 0.10, that is equals to 0.10. So next, to multiply to its probability, 0.20, that is equals to 0.40. Okay, so next, 3 multiply to its probability of 0.45, that is equals to 1.35. So next, 4 multiply to its probability of 0.25, that is 1.00. Then add all of this product, so that is equals to 2.85. Okay, so that is the expected value. So the formula, that is equals to, the summation of x, then multiply to its probability, that's equals to 2.85. okay, so that is the expected value. So very easy. Okay, so I hope that you learned from this very short video presentation. Thank you for watching.